What is up, T-Dog Nation? It is time for another brand new monster truck event. Which one of these lucky 24 trucks can bridge the gap and race down to the finish and win this tournament and punch their ticket to the Tournament of Kings? Who's it gonna be? Our first race of the day, we have the muddied Town Hauler versus the fast and furious Dodge Charger with the dragster tires. Go! And Town Hauler is the first truck into the next round. Up next, we have Rhinomite versus the OG Bigfoot. That was a super close race, but Bigfoot just edges out Rhinomite and will be taking on Town Hauler in the next round. Next up, we have Hot Wheels Safari versus the glow-in-the-dark Twin Mill. Who's it gonna be? Go! Oh, we have a wreck! Go! Oh no, Hot Wheels Safari just comes off the track. And look at that awesome pose. Well, that was a super easy win for Twin Mill, and he's going to the next round. Next up, we have the glow-in-the-dark Midwest Madness and the glow-in-the-dark Podium Crasher. Oh, good race, good race. Oh, good race, good race. And Podium Crasher has punched his ticket into the next round. Up next, we have the glow-in-the-dark 5-alarm versus the glow-in-the-dark Scorpedo. Let's race. Good race, good race. And Scorpedo has advanced to round number 2. This will be an awesome race. Up next, we have the mirror hubbed Corvette versus Wild Streak. Go. Look at that. Go. Look at that. And Wild Streak is one step closer to the Tournament of Kings. For our next race, we have Demo Derby versus the Psychedelic 2 School. Go. Good race, look at that. Go. Wow, Two School beats one of the fastest castings of all time, Demo Derby, but now he's one step closer to the Tournament of Kings. For our last Hot Wheels race of this round, we have SpongeBob versus the Nitro Nuggets, Roger Dodger. Roger Dodger, no question. Roger Dodger, no question. No surprise there. Roger Dodger has always been one of the toughest castings out here, and that's why he's in round number 2. For our first of 4 Spin Master races for this round, we have the Elemental Tires Earthshaker versus Racing Stripes. And go. Look at that. Go. Look at that. And Racing Stripes gets the win over Earthshaker. Up next, we have the New Tool Batman versus Monster Mutt Husky. That's a close race. That's a close race. That was a super close race between Batman and Monster Mutt Husky, but Batman is in the next round. Up next, we have 2 very cool looking trucks. Lumberjack versus the all green Gravedigger. Let's race. Look at that. Race. Look at that. And Lumberjack is in round number 2. But just take a second and look at how cool that this truck is. An absolute beast of a truck. And for our last race before the next round, we have the Red Zombie versus Double Decker. Double Decker is the final truck in round number 2. For our first race of round 2, we have Town Hauler versus the OG Bigfoot. Who's going to the round of 6? Oh! Town Hauler has punched his ticket to the round of 6. Up next, we got Twin Mill versus Podium Crasher. Podium Crasher will be taking on Town Hauler in the round of 6. Scorpedo versus Wild Streak. Here we go. Oh. Wild Streak is just an absolute beast, and he's in the round of 6. For race 4, we have Two School versus Roger Dodger. That was a very close race, but Roger Dodger just edges out Two School to make it to the round of 6. Our 5th race, we have Racing Stripes versus Batman. Now that's a race right there. Now that's the race right there. That was probably our closest race of this entire tournament, but Batman is in the round of 6. Our final race before the round of 6, we have Lumberjack versus Double Decker. Oh, no chance. Oh, no chance. Lumberjack has made it to the round of 6. Our first race before the final round, we have Town Hauler versus Podium Crasher. And go. Good race. Podium Crasher for the win. And go. Good race. Podium Crasher for the win. Podium Crasher has made it to the round of 3. Race 2, we have Wild Streak versus Roger Dodger. Let's go. Let's go. Yep, no surprise there. Roger Dodger has always been a fast casting. Our last race before the round of 3, Batman versus Lumberjack. And Lumberjack is the final truck in the round of 3. Alright guys, the final round is set. Podium Crasher, Roger Dodger, and Lumberjack. The first truck to win 2 goes to the Tournament of Kings coming later this summer. Say it with me, T-Dog Nation. Who's it gonna be? Roger Dodger gets his first win. If he takes this next race, it's all over. Go. Oh, what a comeback. Oh. Oh, what a comeback. Podium Crasher beat Roger Dodger with a amazing comeback. They each have one win. It could be all over right here. And it is right here. There you have it, T-Dog Nation. Podium Crasher is your Bridge the Gap Monster Truck Champion and is going to the Tournament of Kings. Alright, T-Dog Nation, I hope you enjoyed our Monster Truck Bridge the Gap tournament, and we have a couple more tournaments left until the Tournament of Kings. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you could please do me a favor, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and ring that bell to never miss an upload. And with that being said, T-Dog is out of here.